Good morning, students. Take out your social study book, notebook and pencil box with you. Yesterday, I had given introduction of chapter number 3, the Northern Mountains. Today, we will start our chapter. Let's start. Open your book, page number 12. Okay. My dear student, India is divided into 6 physical divisions. You can see in this map. Okay. See, in previous chapters, you know the color of the map. Brown color show the mountain, green color show plain, yellow show desert, and blue color show the water bodies. Okay. See, India is divided into 6 physical divisions. Northern mountains, south of the northern mountains, northern plains, desert, in the middle plateau area, and the sea area, coastal area, that coastal regions, okay, and islands. Now start our chapter. Today we will talk about the northern mountains. Northern mountains, you know there are main 4 directions. On the map you can see north direction is always on the top. North direction map में हमेशा top में होता है. Understand? Let's start. See the first para. The northern mountains, which include the Himalayas. What is the meaning of Himalaya? Look at the blackboard. Himalayas means house of snow. Himalaya. Him means क्या होता है? बर्फ और आलय means घर. Himalaya means house of snow. Understand? Stretch across the northern boundary of India. The Himalayas are the highest mountain in the world. Which is the highest mountain in the world? Himalayas. Understand? Okay. They spread from Jammu Kashmir in west direction. See in your book. Jammu Kashmir. It is the India map. In west direction. In this side west. Jammu Kashmir in west. And Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Here is Arunachal Pradesh. And here is Jammu Kashmir. Understand? They form a natural boundary. They form a natural boundary between India and China. See, here is China. Okay. In map you can see here is China and this is India. So they form a natural boundary. Natural boundary बनाता है किसके किसके बीच? India और China के. And this is here Nepal and Tibet. Understand? So see the next para. The Himalaya range passes through many Indian states. They are which states? In your book it is given Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, northern eastern states also. Now Jammu Kashmir is Union Territory. Understand? See the third para. The Himalaya range can divided into 3 parallel ranges with large valleys. The Great Himalaya or Himadri. See here. The Great Himalaya is also known as Himadri. Middle Himalaya, Himachal, and Lower Himalaya, Shivalik. Understand? First we talk about the Himadri. Okay? Okay. First we talk about the Himadri. The Himadri is the northmost range. Its average height is 6,000 above the sea level. 6,000 meter above the sea level. It is the northmost range. Okay. The highest mountain peaks such as Mount K2, Kanchenjunga and Annapurna, okay, is here. The mountains here are always covered with snow. यहाँ पे पूरे साल throughout the year it's covered with snow and the climate is very cold. Okay, in some places huge masses of ice called glaciers. What is glacier? Huge masses of ice. Okay, these glaciers start moving down the slope to warmer regions. The snow melt and give rise to many big rivers, give rise to many rivers such as Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, Brahmaputra. These rivers then flow down to the plains, and many of tributaries also start from the Himadri. Do you know what is tributaries? Small stream. Tributaries is a small stream. Understand? So, which is the northmost range? Himadri. What is the another name of Himadri? Great Himalayas. Understand? And what is its average height? 6,000 meter. Its height is 6,000 meter. It is northmost range. Many mountain peaks, highest mountain peaks, such as Mount K2, Kanchenjunga and Annapurna is here. And Mount Everest is the world highest mountain peak. It is in Nepal, not in India. विश्व की सबसे ऊंची चोटी का क्या नाम है? माउंट एवरेस्ट, और वो कहाँ पे है? नेपाल में है. Understand? Which type of climate we found in Himadri? Very cold. Understand? And many rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, Brahmaputra are also here. Understand? Now we talk about the middle Himalaya or Himachal. Understand? Himachal range is found between Himadri and Shivalik. Himachal, where is Himalaya? Sorry, Himachal between Himadri and Shivalik. हिमाद्री और शिवालिक के बीच का जो रेंज है उसको हम हिमाचल के नाम से जानते हैं. उसको मिडल हिमालय भी कहते हैं, लेसर हिमालय भी कहते हैं. सॉरी. And which type of climate is here? In winters we can see snowfall, and the summer cool and pleasant. Okay. It has some beautiful valleys. यहाँ पे कुछ valleys आपको मिलेगी जैसे कश्मीर, कुल्लू, कांगड़ा, and many beautiful hill stations are also found in Himachal. Understand? Like Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Almora, Darjeeling are located here. Because of the pleasant climate, people love to visit these hill stations in summer seasons. Understand? Some mountain passes. What is passes? Do you know what is passes? In high mountain regions such as Himadri, it is very difficult to travel from one place to another. People go through passes. People एक पहाड़ से दूसरे पहाड़ पे कैसे जाते हैं? Passes के थ्रू जाते हैं. Understand? And some passes like Rohtang Pass of Himachal Pradesh. ये रोहतांग कहाँ पे है? हिमाचल प्रदेश में. It is a pass. Okay, this range has thick forest. Which type of forest we found here? Thick forest. And which type of trees we found in Himachal regions? Pine, oak, devdar, fir. Okay. Now we talk about the lower Himalayas. What is lower Himalayas? And lower Himalayas another name is Shivalik. Understand? The Shivalik is the southernmost. अब ये कहाँ है? Southernmost. Himadri is northmost and Shivalik is southernmost. And where is Himachal? Between Himadri and Shivalik. Okay. The Shivalik is the southernmost and lowest range of Himalaya. It is the lowest range of Himalaya. Okay. The area at the foothills of Shivalik range is called as Tarai region. इसको हम तराई region के नाम से भी जानते हैं शिवालिक. Understand? This area has thick forest and many varieties of wildlife. Wildlife means जंगली जानवर यहाँ पे मिलते हैं, like snow leopards or leopards और भी so on. The climate is suitable for growing crops. और यहाँ पे climate कैसा होता है? हिमाद्री में कोई भी crops नहीं होता, कोई people वहाँ पे नहीं रहता, लेकिन हिमाचल और शिवालिक में, हिमाचल is a hill stations and शिवालिक में growing crops के लिए suitable climate है यहाँ पर. Okay. The rainfall is heavy. यहाँ पे rainfall heavy होता है. Shal and Shisham are two main trees of Shivalik range. Okay, Shal and Shisham. And Himachal range tree is pine, oak, and devdar. Understand? Many fruit trees such as apples, pears, apricots grown here well. Steps are cut in slopes of hill for farming. This is known as terrace farming. See, this is the picture of terrace farming. सीढ़ी नुमा खेत बनाकर खेती की जाती है. Understand? turn the page. Most of land is used for growing crops. Which crops grow here? Rice, maize, sugarcane and potatoes. Cattle rearing is also very common in the Shivalik range. It is in these lower ranges of the Himalayas that people are able to live. Okay, many broad valleys separated the Shivalik from the Himachal. These valleys are called dunes. Dehradun in Uttarakhand is the best known among them. In the northeast, the hills are not very high. Hills means pahadi, choti pahadi. Okay, compare of mountains. They include Garo, Khasi, Jayantia, Naga, Lushai and Mijo hills. These hills are covered with thick forest. It is given here. Okay, tomorrow we will continue the same chapter. Tomorrow we will talk about the importance of Himalaya and life of the Himalaya. Okay, for now we will recall the chapter. Once again we will recall the chapter. The Himalayas are the highest mountain peak in the world. Okay, the Himalayas spread from Jammu Kashmir in west direction and in east direction Arunachal Pradesh. Don't forget. Okay, they form a natural boundary from which country? China and India. Between India and China. The Himalaya range passes through many states and union territories. Jammu Kashmir. Now Jammu Kashmir is union territories. Jammu Kashmir, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh and other northern eastern states. Understand? The Himalaya is divided into three ranges: Himadri, the Great Himalaya, Middle Himalaya, Himachal and Lower Himalaya, Shivalik. Understand? Okay. Thank you students. Bye.